So here are our horses. This is Paddy. We've had Paddy since Kira was 10 and he was 10, and they're now both 23, nearly 24. He's our little baby, aren't you? Grumpy boy. Grumpy boy. And this is Bojack, the new one. He's still got his photo outfit on. All right, Paddy. Yeah, I know, I haven't got any treats. This is Bojack. He's fitted in really well. He's massive. He's new, but he's fantastic. And the other one is actually a friend of ours up the road who owns that one. It's called Shadow. Beautiful, and they all stay together and they love each other, but not as much as I love them.